Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Test cases are specific tests that testers complete when examining a piece of software, including a mobile app. Learn more about test cases in mobile application testing below. 1. What are test cases in mobile applications testing? A test case is a series of specific actions and steps that a system performs when examining whether or not it is fit for purpose or achieves the requirements that developers set. 2. How to write mobile app test cases. Both manual and automated test cases have a similar start, including brainstorming. This involves thinking about the specific aspects requiring a test and how to test them. 3. Examples of mobile app test cases. There are a few examples of mobile app test cases that companies use when examining their mobile applications, including battery testing. Examining the amount of battery that running the application takes up over a specific period of time in comparison to the mean level of battery degradation in the device over the same time. Speed testing. Seeing how quickly an application goes through all of the stages of a process, both manually and when automated to see the role that the UI plays in the process. Resources requirements. The resources that the application requires to run to a high standard include the amount of RAM data and computing power necessary. Functionality. Testing that all of the functions work as the developer expects without any crashes. Stress testing is a form of functionality testing. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.